Welcome to VitalFiberOne Naturals Inc. interactive cooking classes. Embark on a culinary adventure that not only tantalizes your taste buds, but also fortifies your body with the essence of well-being. VitalFiberOne Naturals Inc. is thrilled to present our flagship digital experience, interactive cooking classes. Join us as we traverse the delicious landscape of fiber-rich cuisine, all from the comfort of your own kitchen. Product overview. In these carefully crafted classes, you'll learn how to create mouth-watering meals and snacks that brim with the goodness of fiber. Our classes are designed to cater to a variety of dietary preferences and skill levels, ensuring that everyone, from the novice to the seasoned chef, finds value and inspiration. Live online cooking classes, real-time interaction. Chat directly with our culinary experts and a community of like-minded food enthusiasts. A personalized guidance. Get immediate answers to your cooking questions and tailored advice to suit your dietary needs. Sense of community. Share the experience with other participants, exchange tips, and make new friends in the health and wellness space. Pre-recorded sessions. A flexibility. Access our classes anywhere, anytime at your convenience. Unlimited replayability. Pause, rewind, and revisit your favorite sections to perfect your techniques. Curated content. Each session is packed with insightful tips, detailed instructions, and the nutritional benefits of fiber-rich ingredients. What you'll learn. How to seamlessly incorporate high-fiber foods into every meal for improved digestion and overall health. Techniques to enhance the natural flavors of whole foods without compromising on taste or texture. The art of meal preparation that ensures you can enjoy a delicious, fiber-rich diet even on a tight schedule. Why choose VitalFiberOne Naturals Inc. interactive cooking classes? Expert instructors. Our passionate chefs and nutritionists are not only experts in their field, but also dedicated to supporting you on your journey to a healthier lifestyle. A holistic approach. We understand that good food is just one component of wellness. Our recipes are crafted to energize, nourish, and satisfy. Community support. Gain access to an exclusive community where you can share success stories, challenges, and recipes with peers who are as committed to health as you are. Spice up your cooking routine and infuse your meals with the health benefits of fiber while enjoying every bite. Whether you're looking to expand your culinary repertoire, introduce more nutrients into your diet, or just have fun in the kitchen, VitalFiberOne Naturals Inc. Interactive cooking classes are your gateway to a vibrant, health-conscious lifestyle. What's included in each class? Recipe booklet. A downloadable guide featuring all the recipes covered, complete with nutritional information and preparation tips. Shopping list. To make your experience seamless, we provide a detailed list of ingredients needed for each class, ensuring you're fully prepared for your culinary journey. Interactive Q&A sessions. Live sessions conclude with a Q&A, giving you the opportunity to delve deeper into the subjects discussed. Sign-up bonus. Enroll now and receive an exclusive How VitalFiberOne Naturals Inc. starter kit, complete with a selection of our top-rated fiber supplements to complement your cooking and maximize your health benefits, while supplies last. Are you ready to cook smart, eat healthy, and live joyfully? Join the VitalFiberOne Naturals Inc. family today and turn your kitchen into a sanctuary of health and flavor. Savor the satisfaction of dishes brimming with vitality and purpose. Our interactive cooking classes are more than just a learning experience. They're a lifestyle choice that rewards you with wellness and joy every day. Discover the power of fiber and how it can enrich your life. Click Enroll now to begin your journey with VitalFiberOne Naturals Inc., where good health meets great taste.